Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes that you can make yourself. For today's brush, I'm so excited we are creating a realistic calligraphy or even illustration tool, the Neon Light Brush. It's a brush that creates that old school cathode ray tube effect that makes it super realistic. It has that hot white glow in the center that makes it unmistakably neon. Use it in a variety of illustrations from calligraphy to artwork using various colors, and you're sure to impress your friends and followers with this unique tool. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's start things off by creating our brush shape. It's a bit involved, but the results are worth it. Start with a square canvas. Change the background color to pure black. You can check the correct values here. From your brush library, choose the monoline brush. Draw with pure white. Check the correct values here. Draw a circle, overlap a bit, let Procreate smooth it out, tap and hold screen with one finger, lift Apple Pencil, then finger. Fill the circle by dragging the color dot into the center. Tap the Move button and resize the circle to less than half. Center it. Duplicate layer, hide duplicate, then tap on first layer to make changes. Tap on Adjustments button and choose Gaussian Blur. Slide right until you reach 60%. Lower the opacity of this layer to 50%. Hide this layer, show the layer above, and tap on the layer itself. Tap on the Move button, and resize circle to less than a quarter size. Center the circle. Tap on Adjustments button, and choose Gaussian Blur. Slide right until you reach 5%. Lower the opacity of this layer to 50%. Now let's add a couple more shapes to truly make this pop. Create new layer by tapping the plus sign here. Using your monoline brush, reduce the brush size to about 15%. Draw a circle using the same technique as before. Tap on the Move button and center the circle. Tap on the Adjustments button and choose Gaussian Blur. Slide right till you reach 5%. Lower the opacity of this layer to 60%. Create a new layer above it. This time, we'll be drawing with pure black. Draw a circle in between these two shapes. Tap on the Move button to center it and reduce the size slightly. Until it looks like this. Tap on the Adjustments button and choose Gaussian Blur and blur it to 10%. Now we have our brush shape that we can use to create our neon light effect. Let's copy this shape by swiping down with 3 fingers and tapping on Copy All. Choose the brush library and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 5%. In Shape, beside Shape Source, tap Edit. In Shape Editor, Tap Import, then choose Paste. Tap Done twice to save selection. In Rendering, under Rendering Mode, set it to Intense Blending. Under Blending, set Flow to 60%. Down here in Blend Mode, set that to Add. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to None. At this point, you can add some stabilization, or even make the glow brighter and more intense. Et voila! A cool new brush to help you create whatever your imagination allows. From neon signs to cyberpunk-inspired art, the possibilities are endless. I gotta say, this is one of the coolest brushes I have ever created, and I really hope you enjoy using this one. So, if you want to see more brush tutorials for Procreate, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you know when new tutorials are uploaded. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and I promise to create more of these on a weekly basis. So, until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!